In anticipation of Amazon's Prime Day event, we've gathered some of the hottest kitchen gadget deals available right now. In this video, we'll show you 19 Amazon kitchen gadgets and accessories deals. Let's get started. These deep containers help you store food safely while maximizing space in your kitchen. Life can be hectic, but Pyrex is here to ease your food storage and meal prep burdens. With a range of sizes, you'll have the flexibility to manage meals your way, whether you're storing leftovers or preparing for the week ahead. Crafted from high-quality tempered glass, these containers resist stains and odors, giving you peace of mind during everyday use. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and lingering smells. These containers keep your food fresh without retaining flavors or colors. This device offers pure water in just 1 second, reducing over 30 contaminants and boasting a lifespan 5 times longer than conventional models. Experience unparalleled convenience with its electric design and one-key control. Perfect for kitchens, refrigerators, or even camping trips, its handle design ensures easy portability. The 5-micron premium carbon block filter material ensures high accuracy, excellent absorption, and zero carbon leakage. For optimal performance, replace the filter after 200 gallons or 3 months of use. Introducing the Kikcoin Glass Sourdough Starter Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to elevate your sourdough baking experience to new heights. At the heart of this kit is a 35-ounce wide-mouth glass jar. Its generous capacity allows for easy addition of flour and water with minimal spillage, simplifying the stirring and cleaning process. This thoughtful design makes your baking journey more professional and enjoyable than ever before. This complete kit includes everything you need: a wide-mouth glass jar, feeding day tracker, thermometer, silicone spatula, 9-piece measuring spoon set, cloth cover, and stainless steel lids. This premium canister is designed to protect your high-quality ground and whole beans, preserving their flavor like a true coffee connoisseur. Coffee's worst enemies are CO2 and oxygen. This military-grade vault ensures your coffee stays fresh, maintaining its rich taste and aroma. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this sleek container not only preserves your coffee, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. It's not just a storage solution, it's a statement piece for coffee enthusiasts. Crafted from premium PP plastic and stainless steel, this rack is built to last, effectively resisting rust, corrosion, and scratches. The thicker, strong stainless steel tubing ensures durability, preventing deformation and bending even under heavy loads. Experience unparalleled versatility with the multi-angle placement feature. The swivel drainage spout rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to direct water flow precisely into your sink, preventing countertop pooling. This adaptable design offers multiple placement options to suit your specific kitchen layout. The removable drain board features central drainage holes and a channel, ensuring water flows directly into the sink. Elevate your pizza game with the Cuisinart Pizza Grilling Set, the essential toolkit for perfect homemade pizzas. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for restaurant-quality results at home. At the heart of the set is a 13-inch cordierite pizza stone. This high-quality stone retains heat exceptionally well, ensuring an evenly cooked pizza with a perfectly crispy crust every time. The set also features a folding pizza peel made of durable stainless steel. Its clever folding handle design makes for easy storage while providing the perfect tool for sliding pizzas in and out of the oven or grill. This tray holds up to 18 eggs in individual cups, providing a safe and visible alternative to flimsy, easily crushed egg cartons. Designed with convenience in mind, this tray fits easily in your fridge and comes with a lid for easy stacking. Combine it with other kitchen spaces organizers to maximize your refrigerator space efficiently. But don't limit its use to just eggs. This versatile tray is perfect for storing arts and crafts supplies, jewelry, beads, or small ornaments in your craft room. Its multi-purpose design makes it a valuable organizer throughout your home. Elevate your wine experience with the HIVIEW electric wine aerator. This device transforms your wine with just the push of a button, delivering perfectly aerated wine straight to your glass. The aerator's oxygenation process enhances flavor molecules, while its magnetic design softens tannins, resulting in a luxurious taste. Say goodbye to sediment with the unique no-dripping spout design, ensuring a clean pour every time. Portable and stylish, this aerator features an airtight rubber seal to keep your wine fresh. Its mini size makes it perfect for enjoying red wine anywhere, anytime. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free material, these durable and shatterproof containers keep your pantry neat and accessible. Their clear design allows you to easily identify contents without opening, streamlining your cooking process. The special sealing mechanism ensures an airtight seal, keeping your food dry and fresh. Simply flip the ring to open or close the container with just 2 fingers. Included are 24 reusable labels, helping you avoid mix-ups between similar-looking ingredients. These labels can be easily switched as you change container contents. This holder is designed to extend the life of your avocados, whether you're saving them for snacks, salads, or that perfect batch of guacamole. The avocado stretch pod creates a tight seal, eliminating odors and ensuring freshness. Its compact design takes up minimal refrigerator space while protecting your avocado from bruising and squashing. By significantly reducing oxidation, this avocado preserver helps maintain the fruit's vibrant color and creamy texture. Say goodbye to brown, unappealing avocados. Embrace sustainability with this reusable silicone container. Designed with comfort in mind, this handheld opener fits snugly in your palm, providing a secure grip without damaging your jewelry. Featuring a sharp cutting wheel, this opener glides smoothly along can edges, making quick work of even the most stubborn cans. Say goodbye to frustrating struggles and hello to easy opening. Compact and lightweight, the Ultrean can opener is perfect for both kitchen use and on-the-go adventures. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or just organizing your kitchen drawer, this opener fits right in. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, this pan ensures efficient and even heat distribution for perfect cooking results every time. Its durable construction is built to last, making it a reliable kitchen companion. The fry pan features a solid cast stainless steel handle with a removable gray soft grip silicone sleeve, providing comfort and safety while cooking. The Fusion rivetless cooking surface reinforces the pan's durability and allows for effortless food release and quick cleanup. It's compatible with all cooktops except induction and is both dishwasher and oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. This versatile single-serve machine brings cafe-quality drinks to your home at the touch of a button. With innovative features like a 25-second heat-up time and energy-saving automatic shutoff, it's both convenient and efficient. Enjoy coffee your way: bold, mild, hot, or iced. The Vertuo Plus offers 4 different cup sizes, including 5 and 8-ounce coffee options, plus single and double espresso. It's perfect for creating your favorite iced coffee blends and lattes too. This sleek machine comes equipped with a generous 40-ounce water tank and a container that holds up to 10 used pods. This appliance features a continuously rotating tray, ensuring even cooking every time. With separately controlled top and bottom heating elements, you can customize your baking experience for perfect results. Efficiency is at the heart of the Pizzazz Plus. It uses up to 60% less energy than a conventional oven, making it an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. The built-in timer adds convenience, signaling when your food is ready and automatically shutting off the heating elements. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable nonstick baking pan. It's easy to clean and compact for simple storage. This versatile bag features thermal insulation made of BPA-free aluminum foil, keeping your food cold or warm for up to 4 hours. Available in medium and large sizes, it offers ample space for lunch boxes, snacks, and even water bottles. Crafted with durability in mind, the Lifewit Lunch Bag boasts a water-repellent Oxford cloth exterior, protecting your meals from light rain or spills. The interior is easy to clean with just a wet tissue or towel. Premium materials, including thickened insulation pearl foam and a smooth metal zipper, ensure long-lasting performance. This set of 6 clear glass bowls, each with a 9.5-ounce capacity, is ideal for a variety of uses in your kitchen and dining room. These premium quality bowls feature a stunning design with just the right balance of simplicity and style. The base has a subtle yet eye-catching pattern, while the bowl shape is neither too thin nor too thick, offering both durability and elegance. Versatility is key with these multi-purpose bowls. Use them for kitchen prep, serve delicious desserts, or present snacks, fruits, and nuts. Their clear glass design allows them to seamlessly blend with any table setting, from farmhouse chic to modern elegance. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, this pitcher is both heat-resistant and durable, withstanding temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. It's lead-free and BPA-free, ensuring safe use in refrigerators and on stovetops. Designed for comfort and convenience, the pitcher features a comfortable grip handle and a stainless steel lid with 2 openings for pouring or filtering. A silicone seal around the lid keeps your beverages fresh and prevents spills. With a generous 68-ounce capacity, this 2-liter pitcher is perfect for serving 3 to 5 people during gatherings or parties. Bring a touch of retro charm to your kitchen with the Nostalgia Retro Compact Countertop Microwave Oven. This stylish appliance combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a perfect addition to any home. Featuring 700 watts of cooking power in a compact 0.7 cubic foot design, this microwave quickly cooks and reheats your favorite foods. With 12 pre-programmed cooking settings and a delay timer, you can easily prepare popular dishes like popcorn, pizza, and vegetables with just the touch of a button. The easy-to-read LED display illuminates the digital clock and clearly shows each cooking setting. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, this durable teapot is perfect for both hot and cold brewing. Its heat-resistant properties ensure long-lasting use in your daily tea preparation. Convenience is key with this microwave-safe teapot, eliminating the need to pre-boil water separately. After use, simply place it in the dishwasher for effortless cleaning. The removable stainless steel strainer allows for perfect brewing of loose leaf or blooming teas, ensuring a sediment-free cup every time. It's easy to clean and elevates your tea experience to new heights.